Hello everybody, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. Comes to us not heating, so when I test the machine I found out this thermostat that comes on the top with the steam boiler, actually on a thermoblock. It was burnt and broken like that as pieces, so I just replaced it and put the machine back together, clean it up, calibrate the grinder after deep clean it. So let's go ahead and test the machine, make espresso shot on it. This machine comes without a portafilter, so I just borrow a portafilter from another machine. There you go. Needs more. I should put more coffee in there, but I just want to show it's working. There you go, let's test the hot water. It's perfect. And the steamer. That needs a little bit to get active. So there is some water in the system. So the machine heating functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.